Oh, wait. Do not change the dial, alright? This is your man, MacB Crypto sa ato mga CTU, CRT nga na din karon. Oh, which lang ha, kayot lang natay balita karon ang daghang hacking. So, balik ko dya, watch sa ato ang CTU with pa JJJ Cas. Okay?
Drop. Drop.
Bang! Yes! Good afternoon! Welcome sa atong ika-12 episode. Ayaw change ang dial, okay? Do not brain rot yourself. Inata ay mga pa-update diha sa ato ang community. Our chat is blowing up. Oh, daghan na kadto ang nag-message sa chat. What lang, standby lang as ato sang ipasabot kung unsa ang C.T.U Crypto Thursday update with pa JJJ. Cash. Alright? Sige, kini is your man. This is your man, MacB Crypto to the international who are watching right now. Good morning. On the other side, maybe it's done there. No, diri sa ato sa Pilipinas, maayong hapon. Then later on, maayong gabi. Today is April 23, Thursday. I am doing this. No, haning pagabuhaton every week except on the third week. But karon na third week is an exemption kay last week wala man pod. So na ako ay every third week of the month pahuway na ho na, but every week I'm doing a 3 live streams no na atay CRT every Tuesday, Crypto Resume Tuesday, Pulse Asian TV kung naami guest, then ang atong C.T.U Crypto Thursday update brought to you by alright, kanang nasa ubos guys. So guys, mag-update ta sa to community natay bagong format karon no natoy gitawag og Crypto Zen. Alright, so dili lang ako ang mo report but napod coming from the community. na po yung mga community members nga sila mismo, no, naapod sila i-report or sila ilang i-share sa ilang mga accounts sa SOCMED. Speaking of SOCMED, guys, we are live today sa ato ang mga SOCMED sa X, which is Twitter before, sa ato ang YouTube, that is MacB Crypto, The Yield Maxi, and sa atong Facebook page, right? MacB Herms og sa Hex Philippines. Alright? And sa TikTok, wala. O, TikTok, ibalik na ang tato ninja, no? Kay daghang mga millennials actually using TikTok, but I hope ilan ang balikon ibalik to nila ang kantong pohon ang pag-live sa TikTok, but I don't know, for whatever reason wala man. So I don't know if my audio is okay. Who are watching right now sa atong mga SOCMED, good morning, good evening, mayong hapon, mayong buntag, if you're just sipping your cup of coffee on the other side of the world. I think it's 22 dito, 23 dire. Alright? Again, this is your man, MacB Crypto. Welcome to Muffler Town! If you're gonna hear some muffler sound, again, you will know that is your man, MacB Crypto, and not an AI. And also, welcome to your Video Okay Capital. Alright? Wakadagog mga Video Okay, and you will know again that is your man, MacB Crypto. Alright? Tanaw sa ta sa chat. Alright? Tanaw sa ta sa chat. Alright? Sige, tanaw sa nato ang chat. Where are you, chat? Alright, where are you, chat? Alright. Let me, what happened to my chat? How sang i-share ang ahong chat? Alright, what happened? Dili man makita ng chat. Kalit lang ha. Okay, there you go. Alright, sige atong unahon. Wow, hello Don! Ingon ni Donna. Si Donna ang first ha, ipakita ang sa kadaghanan. Alright? Then ahong usa-usahon og pakita na. Alright, sige. So si Donna ang first, guys, ingon ni Donna. Hi sir. So si Ja ang automatic pag-giveaways, alright? And maadjong hapon. Hi Ate Mika, nadunggan mi ganina doon, no? Wala na mo na turn off ang kanang ahong mic kay ahong gigamit isang cellphone dire. Alright. Ahong gihugwan kay si Eli is playing with sa old iPhone na ho, and yeah, medyo malingaw ang bata. But anyway, tinig nadunggan mi ganina. I'm very sorry guys. How much I like to have a good production value. And I say that na atay mga ingani, no, na TV, kay naguba man namong TV, na ay mga lighting sa background, ang hamong ilis kay na isang igagaw ang abot dire. Ikaw, please minimize the sound para gwapo ang mga viewing pleasure kumbaga sa atong nagtanaw karon. Alright? We could add good nga production value. Alright? Sige, siguro nadunggan ta kay naging sa hi Ate Mika. Hi sir, maadjong hapon, ingon ni Janine Dankal. Hi Janine, good afternoon. Maadjong hapon, maayong gabi, no, more or less padong ngit-ngit naman eh. Speaking of ngit-ngit, as early as 4:45, quarter to 5, lamdag na kay mo na ting mata, alas 4, 4:30, quarter, mo na ting mata, right? So, yeah, ato sang at mag-round sa ato ang chat, alright? Before ta mo adto sa atong Crypto Thursday update. Ang Crypto Thursday update is coming from the Pinoy Pulse Chain community. I am a Pulsican, an OG Pulsican, Hexican on the block, in which magbalita ta, in which I will be updating the Pinoy Pulse Chain community, and might as well also for the internationals who are watching around the globe. We are live around the globe, alright? Sige. Ingon ni Anan, Novi, mayong hapon, agi na ba ni na? Okay, mayong hapon sir, Anan, mayong hapon. Big shout out! Hingatong ganon. Big shout out. Shout out din da sa Hingatunggan. Ingon ni Donna, very respectful nga bata. Hi, Ate Novi Meras. Yep. Alright. Sige. Hello, maayong hapon, sir. Og mga kasolid indeed. Maayong hapon, mga kasolid. Sige, huwaton sa nato kadiyot. Ang atong mga viewers daw, kaya kuban, pauli pa, etc. Then siguro, mga 1 minute, 2 minutes, or maybe pinakataas 5 minutes, mag-start ta sa ato ang Crypto Thursday update. Maayong hapon sa tanang viewers indeed. Maayong hapon. Ayay, maka-early bird, baka ha, taani. Hindi, naka-early bird na ka, 100 pesos. Automatic. Everyone followers. Hashtag everyone followers. Alright? Novi Meras, maadyo gani na i-load, maka-watching. Indeed, sige. And I will be making it more or less 1 hour. So, ako lang i-stack. But, Kung musobra pod, okay lang. Alright? Siguro mga 1 hour 15, 1 hour 30 ha. Kung dili po mo tanaw sa 1 hour, basta nga i-promise is na mo sa 1 hour mark sa atong mga kasolid, right? Nasa mo sa 1 hour. Kung wala pa sa muna na, akong paniganguton nga 1 hour din. Kung na ko yung mga extra pang isulti, additional, no? Kaya natin mga ano. So, yeah, tiyawag na ni. Pwede na po ko ma-extend. Okay ra wala guys. Alright, sa tawa ka-solid. Now, dili pa mo ka-solid, please let us know na may group chat in which magpasabot ko dahil sa community, sa CRT, C.T.U, MacBit Crypto Community. CRT, C.T.U, MacBit Community. Mo na yung mga gitawag ng mga ka-solid in which natay pa Gcash, no, then magbalita po nila related about crypto, na ko stream, etc. etc. diha sa among GC. Let me know na may mga admin nga mo admin Joe, right? Sila ni Donna, ni Leon na, alright? Ingon ni Doy Vincent, good hapon, good hapon. Okay, kaadyo ang audio ni mo sir, klaro. Alright? Sige ni Novi, ingon si Novi, murog ikaw jud ang early bedroom te. Alright, madyo gani na naka-load. Alright, natanaw na nato. Alright, okay madyo kay audio nato is clear. Alright, alright. Sige, that's good, that's good. Mayong hapon, mayong hapon. Sige guys, so later chat ato kang baliko no. So mag-start ta sa ato ang CryptoZen for this afternoon. Before tamo ato sa atong C.T.U. Sa ato natin engagement da sa atong community no. We have an engagement coming from CryptoZen. Kung na netizen, na citizen, na citizen, di ba? Citizen of a country, that's a citizen. Then we have the netizen sa internet, netizen. Napo tay CryptoZen report, right? So atong tawag na ni, let's put the center, kumbaga kini nga balita, si Donna. So ang isang report or isang gi-share, right? Nag-share si Ja. Tanaw na to sa, let me check. Alright, tanaw lang na to. Sige, share na to ni guys. So, share lang na to ang i-share ni Donna. So, si Donna nag-share na ni, right? Kubangbang. So, man what happened to my chat? Oh, sorry. Sir, karon pa ko naka. Sige, ako lang tanawon later, brad. Si Sir JD Racing. Kaya magpa-adjo ko sa akong ano. Anyway, so, mo na isang i-post siya itong April 21, right? Then gi-copy paste lang ni namo kining pulsechain.com naa na nani na mga D-apps or decentralized apps for lending with your HEX, PLS, PLSX, INC as collateral without term repayment schedule but dapat over-collateralize para malikayan ang loan liquidation event. Check sa comment section for such crypto DeFi lending. So gipost ni Ja, this comes from the way by the way comes from Crypto Explain, right? This comes from Crypto Explain ni adtong April 21, 2 days ago guys, right? So Coinbase is not offering sila of crypto loan. Yeah, you heard it right. There is such thing as a crypto loan, right? And na ay lending platform na, right? So diha sa Pulsechain community, we have that lending platform like Flex, right? Flex.io, Earn.io, US liquid loans. Upat na sila kabok ang HEXDC or INCprinter.com, right? So, thank you so much pag-share na ni Don and thank you po pag-copy-paste sa pulsechain.com as we will trying to explain diha sa mga CryptoZen, alright? Nga naa na di ay ing ana, right? Why is this important? Nganong related po ni sa atong C.T.U kay perting daghanang hack na nahitabo because of this crypto loans. I think dapat ninyo masabtan. It's very important for us to understand why crypto loan, especially lending protocols on the L2 or layer 2. Explain na to later on. We will trying to explain nga digestible nga masabtan for dummies kung baga. Now, if you're gonna hear some cuckoos or kanang ano sa tawag na ni sa manok, and you will know again that is your man, Macbi Crypto na mga tuktugahok sa mga manok. Welcome to the simple life in the rural areas. Alright? And by the way, speaking of rural area living now, there's sa Cebu na haze like 2 days, 3 days, maybe 2 days ago na balita. So careful ta, magmask ta da sa Cebu sa ato mga Cebu friends nga nagpudyo diha karon or maybe working in Cebu na haze nga nahitabo da sa Cebu area. So please magmask ta. para malikayan ang mga tawag na ni mga asthma attacks and any upper respiratory na mga infection for that matter. Alright, so again guys, nganong related na kay ara naghanang mga lending protocol nga na-hack, right? And Coinbase, karon pa nila, nag-offer na sila og crypto loan, right? Diha sa DeFi, true DeFi, meaning no turn on, meaning no turn off switch. Mayong tag DeFi dapat na ay tawag na ni walay admin key, right? Right? And naa kay own keys on your cryptos kumbaga. So dapat na masabtan kay naay mga layer 2 mingon sila DeFi, but actually they are not DeFi in the real sense. They are just DeFian, all right? DeFian lang sila. It's not true DeFi, right? It's not true DeFi kanang uban who are naging silang mga DeFi, but you will find true DeFi in the pulsechain.com or the Pinoy Pulse Chain Pinoy Pulse Chain community. We have the real chain, L1 chain. How na explain later and nganong related na, especially with the lending, right? Be very careful with layer 2 na mga lendings, right? It's very important to understand that lending, especially in DeFi, dapat walay maka-turn off switch, right? Especially diha sa layer 2. How I explain later, na alam ko ipakita dito na kumbaga like what I did with my CRT na naadyo inyo makitaan nga graphics para maizong masabtan. Alright, so since we are talking about lending, and thank you so much sa atong CryptoZen report coming from Donna, isa nang i-post sa isang Facebook page. Alright, so atong una mo yung mga report, no, let me know, una mo itong i-post kay dili po na tanan actually ma-cover tanan, right? So like for example, inanay i-post po ni sa isang banana bells, right? So not everything is kumbaga ahong mabantayan. So atong mong gibutangan pod og CryptoZen na segment ang atong C.T.U para pod kamo ma-engage kamo, para pod kamo tawag na ni makabalita, no, and helping the community. Again, you are the network, I am the network. This is me part of the network. I'm doing my part. There's a network in which I am doing this on my own volition, right? Again, none of this should be taken as a financial advice, but this is more of a educational content na atong i-produce. Alright? I hope nga masabtan na, guys. Alright? So again, thank you so much ni Ma'am Donna, Reyes, and Kubangbang. Again, pasensya na sa ato mga muffler sound ngayon madunggan, mga tambutso, guys. Right? Again, welcome to Muffler Sound. Thank you so much, Ma'am Donna, sa pag-report na niyan. Related ni sa ato ang Crypto Thursday update. Ako lang tutukan gamay ang mga hacking na nahitabo diha sa DeFi. Right? But kung true DeFi kasi na, wala kadyoy mahack, labi na sa layer 2. So I will explain it later. Alright? Sige, thank you so much, Ma'am Donna, for sharing in this one. And again, naay crypto lending naay crypto lending DeFi. You don't have to go to the banks. Imong gabito ng imong HEX as a collateral, imong PLS as a collateral, ang imong PLSX as a collateral, imong INC as a collateral. So naana na siya, right? Naana na siya, guys. So ang kining Coinbase is magkukuha lang sila nag-offer dito sa UK. Alright? Sige. But anyway, that's the part sa ato ang CryptoZen report by Ma'am Donna Riz Kumbabang. Thank you so much, Don, for that pag-ano nato. Alright? Sige. So sa ato ang first nga report karong hapuna, guys, ato lang ipakita ang alright. This comes from the international lato, no? So let's share this gun, guys. So this is the Kelp DAO suffers a 292 million exploit, triggering $13 billion, $292 million na, by the way, guys, dollars, triggering at 13 billion DeFi meltdown, especially on the ETH chain, right? Remember that one. I think wala na ako ma-share ang screen. I don't know what's happening. Share lang na ako ang screen, alright? Show, alright. Sorry, guys. Oh, there you go. My bad na ako'y napindot na dili mao. So, this is the Kelp DAO suffers a 292 million exploit, triggering a 13 billion meltdown. All right. So guys, ako lang nang i-breakdown, you don't have to get into the nitty-gritty or the technical of this one, right? So I'll explain later on. Na lang ko ipakita nga muro graphics dito para yung masabtan eh. So basically, hack ni siya, right? So mo na part sa atong balita. This is a lending protocol, right? A L2 lending protocol. It is called RS ETH or the restake ETH, right? So hong explain later nga nung crucial na kanang restake ETH na nag-stake nga gi-restake pagudod to another protocol which is the L2, and it's very very risky to do that. That is a smart contract risk ika nga matod pa namo, right? So you are adding more risk, right? Because of another protocol na pod or software kumbaga or another D app or decentralized app or for that matter smart contract, right? So it's very important nga masabtan nato ni please be very careful, right? So it's very important, right? This comes from the coinzone.com, right? That is the coinzone.com. Let me put this one on chat guys para inso po ning matrack ning ato ang report karon, all right? So let me put this one on chat para po inyong matanawan guys. So this will be posted sa ato mga sokmed like YouTube and also diha sa ato ang Facebook, all right? So this one guys, morning ato na coin zone. It comes from the coin zone. The coin zone ng website comes from the liquid loan guys. The liquid loans nga team. Right? La liquid loans, the USDL katong giingon ninyo ganina nga lending protocol on the Pulse network. All right? So, yeah, this is the Kelp daw. No, dili na lang nato na iba sa basahon o into the details on this one, but to make it short, ang attacker nag-mint of around 1,500 unback RS ETH. Mo na yung giingon, restake ETH, right? And roughly 18% of the total supply. So guys, be very careful in this one, especially the L2, no? And this causes a cascading effect into the L2 ecosystem, right, of ETH, right? The ETH itself, ang L1, right, wala man dyan na affected, right? But ang L2 is affected ni siya, like the base, Arbitrum, kung sa paning other na mga L2s, right? So anyway, muna si Zad guys. Now, related to this hitabo, I don't want to be technical on this one guys. I don't want to be delving technically sa nahitabo na ni. But what happened is, na-hack nga hitabo. Right? Then, ang kini is related din sa atong second nga update. Right? This comes from Bitpinas guys. So, ang nahitabo, di ba, na ay na-hack dito sa Kelp DAO, which is an L2. Right? L2 on the Arbitrum network. So ang nahitabo nila is ang kadtong na-hack kumbaga na nagilen kumbaga, right? Kumbaga lending protocol man gud na ang Kelp DAO, right? And back to siya, right? There's wa gadyoy ETH nga giback kumbaga, and di freeze na nila mismo dire sa exploit nga nahitabo diha sa Arbitrum. So they freezes around $70 million from the Kelp DAO exploit. Again guys, this comes from Bitpinas. Big shout out to Bitpinas, to Sir Michael Mislos. Alright, as you can see, there's so many hacking. Usa lang ni, duha lang ni akong i-post karon, but there are a lot. The Vercel, all these other hacks na nahitabo, right? So again guys, be very very careful in doing this, and I will later on explain nganong dili lang sa mga protocol level ang ilang hack, right? Or should I say hacking nga nahitabo, but especially, or should I say diha nagazud pod sa personal na mga users mismo kita na ang gihack. Later on hapon nang ipalita ang nahack nga nahitabo, or should I say dili sa protocol level but usa ka tawo nga nagpataka sa click og mga links diha mismo sa Pulse chain. But the Pulse chain itself, the Pytheas, which is a decentralized DEX aggregator, wala mahack. Meaning, ija tong sa job kay nagpataka siya og click og link. Alright? Now, having this Arbitrum, dili na lakaw ni into the details. I don't want to be again technical. Ilang gi-freeze. Now, speaking of freeze, right, miingon ko, through DeFi gazud ka, you cannot turn it off. But with this one, they have admin keys kining Arbitrum diha sa layer 2, right? So, kung mingon jud kag true DeFi, the essence of true DeFi, there's no such things as turn it off or freezing of accounts. There are pros and cons of this one. But kung imo gazun kuhaon ang entire idea of true DeFi, dapat dili ma-stop. Inana ta ka very, very of high standard diha sa Pulse Chain. Pulse Chain, which is an L1, right? You cannot turn it off now. Meaning, diha sa atong sunod nga balita on this one, we have start with the countdown. Second is mag-freeze sa Arbitrum. Ari na ta sa Pulse Chain nga na-hack na nahitabo sa personal level. Meaning, kining countdown is mismo ang protocol ang gihack, right? Meaning, ang software ang gihack. Term lang akong software, right? Mismo ang gihack. Now, ikining ikatulo na tong balita is mismo on the personal level, meaning ang user ang gihack. Alright? Chat, if you have any question, please let me know kung I hope nasabtan ko. But before showing no, ang kanang sa Arbitrum, let me have a recap sa kining nahitabo na pag-hack or should I say exploit ka nahitabo diha sa Kelp DAO, which is an L2 on the Arbitrum level, and kini pong pag-freeze sa Arbitrum. Arbitrum is not true DeFi. Kay nga naman sila turn off switch, meaning they can freeze this one na sila admin keys. Pwede maguna, it's a double-edged sword. For this one, ilang gigamit ni pag-freeze. How about og naay mga dissenting opinion, right? How about og ma-hack ang inyong mga admin keys on this so-called mga kung imo ning basahon, by the way, ato lang ibasahon gamay, right? So naano sila yung mga council, right? So I think there are according to the official statement, the council acted with the direct input from the law enforcement. So meaning law enforcement ang Arbitrum. But on the DeFi level, dili gadyo da ingnana on the DeFi standard, wala gadyo ingnana nga dapat nga mahitabo. So as of April 20, 30,766 ETH has been transferred to a new intermediary frozen wallet, guys. So, through DeFi, dili ingani dapat. Why? Because how ipakita ang later on, diha ang nahitabo sa Pulse Chain in which diha po na-hack on the personal level, dili ang protocol itself. Now, let me do a recap on this one. On kini nga balita. Nala ko ipa-show nga graphics, guys. Let me tanggalon ni ako. And let me share another screen on this one, right? So, ako lang na ipakita. No, sorry, mabad. Sorry, mabad. Ako lang Sige, ako lang nito ipakita, guys. So, I don't know, makita ni. So, maghimo lang ta og summary sa nahitabo nadto, right? So, let me have a summary on this one. So, ayaw makita ninyo, guys. So, as you're saying, idyo makita din karon. So, di ba, upgraded na nga to ang balita, right? So, murag mo ni summary kung baga para idyo masabtan. So, as you can see here, right? Uy, wala ma-share. Okay. Okay, wala ma-share, dai. Ayun, late day, I think, right? Late day. So, as you can see here, so, from the Arbitrum sa L1, right? Sa ETH. So, kung inyo ning masabtan, there's a blockchain, right? So, this is the Kelp DAO hack explained. RS means restate ETH or gitawag nag-LRT. Dili ang light railway transit sa Manila ha, but kada gitawag nag liquid restaking token, right? So, anyway, this is for the dummies. So, mubo pagkasulti na ni guys na L1. Please bear with me on this one. Kung makikita mo na yung blockchain na L1 sa ETH, mo ni ang L1 nga wala ma-hack, right? Ang functionality na is lending. Nag-lend sila sa Aave protocol, which in katubo atong gipakita ganina sa ato ang CryptoZen ni si Ma'am Donna, in which Coinbase is offering centralized na sila, right? It is ang crypto man god duha kumbaga, na centralized ug na decentralized. Ako I am for the decentralization or DeFi, right? But anyway, the point we're making is uwahi ang mga centralized and offering mga lending. But in fact, diha sa ato, diha na 1 year ago, more or less 2 years, especially sa ato ang INC, Hex, Flex, no, kanang nasa ubos sa ipakita. So, I hope makita ninyo nga ako ano guys, akong ibutan ni. So, kining L1 is dinhi dapat ilang stake sa Aave. Now, ang nahitabo karon is giri na another protocol nga another L2 kumbaga, layer 2. Dinhi ang nagka-problema. This is where the problem happened. Na restake it diha using the kelp DAO and na-hack man ni siya. So meaning kining stake din naghimo na pog bagong protocol L2 tawag diha is ang kelp DAO diha sa Arbitrum. Ang L1 the mainnet is ETH and ang atong L2 is ang ARB. Now dinhi nagka-problema. Right? And later on ato po na i-connect diha sa pulse chain nga walay L2, right? Makakita naman mo sa ato ang ipakita this one. So as you can see here guys, dinhi ang nagka-problema. Kini ang na-hack. Right? So pagka-hack na ni guys, so ang protocol status na ni kining L1, ang Aave is wala ma-hack. Right? Kini nga L1. But on the L2, diha na-hack. So meaning nagka-problema ang ilang liquidity status. Motong dahil 13 billion liquidity crunch nga nahitabo, right? So mo nang dahay kumbaga freezing of accounts nga nahitabo which is ilang gibuhat nga kumingon sila DeFi dili unta, right? And affected ang liquidity both by of this L1 and L2. So mo lang ni pinaka summary sa atong gibalita ganina, right? So we are talking about mga digestible nga angay na itong masabtan, right? With regards sa ato ang Crypto Thursday update karong hapuna. Alright? Now, unsay yung comparison ani diha sa ato ang pulse chain. Right? Ato lang ga example din is ang ato ang mga tong Flex, right? I will put the Flex protocol which is a lending protocol by the way. And naghimo kong tutorial on this one but I was using guys the INC na protocol but more or less just the same run sila, right? This is just a fork kung baga. I will put it on chat guys ang kadtong akong gikining nga Flex, right? As you can see kini sa ubos, right? So that is the Flex protocol which is a lending protocol na DeFi, decentralized. Dili jud di may stop, right? And ako pong i-relate later on ang kadtong na-hack nga 43 billion PLS, close to $300,000 guys. Karon nga price da si Zara. Tahong i-relate nga nung DeFi ang pulse chain, right? So as you can see here guys, mapakita lang na ako na kining L1 is one stake ang Hex now with the Flex protocol. This is not hack and it is not affected pod by the way, right? So wala na dyan na affected. As you can see here, it is not affected and also the liquidity is not affected directly. Why? Because ang kining mga R, kining mga L2s cannot directly send it here diha sa atong L1, diha sa ato ang pulse chain, right? So as you can see, wala pud tay L2, right? And Richard Hart has been a proponent. Nag-ingon sa Richard Hart na L2 sucks, right? Kay na admin keys and not to mention, right? And not to mention pod is naapoy nahitabo na tawag na liquidity sucking, meaning ang bubo pagkasultida na kung nakikitaon diha sa L2 ilang i-sell dito sa L1, so mahotdan og liquidity ang L1. Inanaon lang nato para dali masabtan, right? So mas maadyo og diha lang sa L1 like we are doing with our PLS, right? In which injo makit-an, right, nga wa gadyoy hacking nahitabo as of 2 years nga flawless nga pag run sa pulse chain, especially with the decentralized apps nga gi-build diha sa pulse chain community. That's why the builders in pulse chain, meaning ang kadtong naghimo og mga software or should I say decentralized apps using smart contracts is superior ang ilang knowledge and understanding in this technology in the so-called DeFi space, right? Wala tay L2, there's no such thing as L2 in the L1 of the pulse chain ecosystem. We just have an L1 that is the pulse chain, kumbaga, right? So again, that's why we are superior. Now, ang nahitabo actually na ni kung inyo ning tan-awon guys, kung nakay Hex, right? Mubo pagkasulti, TLDR summary, kung nakay Hex, imong ibutang diha sa Flex protocol, right? And then after that Flex protocol tagaan ka og Hex DC, right? So inana ang lending protocol on the nutshell, mubu pagkasulti kung baga para ta masabtan. Anay upat ka buok na guys, naay upat na kabuok katong pagpilian. We have PLS, HEX, INC ug ang PLSX, right? So ahaw nang gi-post by the way ang kini, right? So kung inyo ni makita ni nga link sa ato ang Facebook ug sa YouTube naka-post siya guys. So please click that link para dili ta ma-scam link, right? So careful with links. So ako na mismo ang nag-post na ni. So sigurado ko kay ako man mismo naka-ano ni on my end, naka-bookmark pa gani on my end this one guys. So I'm very sure nga this is not a scam link, right? So again, habat masabtan nato na. Now, if you have question, please let me know chat. Right? Nagbuwa-buwa na nga hong ba dire. Alright? So again, wala effect directly nato, no? Ang nahitabo nga liquidity crunch diha sa L1 like ETH and L2. Good thing is ilang na freeze. Now, speaking of hacking, since hacking atong topic karon, naay na hack coming from the community gadzod. I'm very sorry. That's why there's a price dump. Later on, ato po ipakita ang ato mga chart later on the show. Alright? Sige guys. Susunod na ito ipakita guys is kining nahitabo karon nga hack diha sa Pulse Chain community. This comes from CryptoSolve, right? Ato laging basahon as you can see here, right? A Pulse Chain user. User niya, dili ni protocol level guys. Katong ganina protocol. So kini user na, targeted na. Then moabot ang time nga it's gonna be really on the user level na ang ilang targeton. So careful ta on this one, right? So careful ta on this one. So the protocol level na ang ilang targeton moabot ang time. Alright? Ay sorry. Baliktad. Ay sorry, takpo na to. Okay, mabad. Murog dili na mudako. Kiri na lang siguro ang gamiton guys. Kiri na lang para madako ay para dako inyong matanawan. All right, so user sadly this is 43.7 billion, right? So basically what happened was ija lang untang i-convert into wrap pulse, no, diha using Pytheas, right? But as you can see here, this comes from CryptoSolve, which is kind of the crypto forensic guy or team on Pulse Chain, right? So blind signing transaction that had a different destination wallet. So basically what happened was na-hack siya, meaning na-send murog gikopya lang ijahang wallet kumbaga kanang end, di ba, na first and last nga part sa mga addresses, right? And gi-poison ang ijang address. So basically na-hack siya. So mo ni angay na tong masabtan, but on the Pytheas level wala ma-hack, right? So again, this comes from a user na dili na tong protocol. So meaning there will come time kita na will be targeted. So meaning be very careful kung nay mag-send nid mga link, right? Kabantay mo bisan pag early stream pa naho when I was starting with streaming, igod ko adto mo patakag click og link, right? Na QR code. I have a links na akong i-send diha sa GC, right? So please use the link and the QR code guys para dili ta ma-scam. This is a lot of money. That is 43.7 billion PLS. That's around 367,000 US dollars today's price. Surely ko last bull market this is $1 million pa in dollars kumbaga. More or less siguro mga 200 million pesos, 300 million pesos in our money, right? During the bull market, more or less estimate lang nako, right? So na lesson learned din nga mention ni CryptoSolve, like be extremely careful that you're using the right website. So mo nilang giingon da na Pytheas is also doing a post-mortem forensic forensic nga kumbaga nga tawag na ni nga investigation kumbaga. So use a wallet, no? So morning duha nga idang suggest. So very careful with website. So ilang giingon this could be the problem na attack vector nga hitabo kani nga user niya, user meaning targeted siya the right website. So meaning dajay na click nga dili mao nga website, ani kaduha dapoy blind signing nga nahitabo, right? Mo nang giingon na simulates transaction like OKX does. We're not sure what else does. So I think this is in an ongoing investigation, so we will update you guys kung in the next nato nga future episodes sa atong C.T.U. Alright? So, unsa man po yung lesson learned nga atong masabtanan ni on the DeFi space. Meaning po, kining 47 million, no one can freeze this one. No one can freeze this one. Right? So meaning this could be sell on the market. Right? This could be sell on the market. Manimingon ko ganina, true DeFi is a double-edged sword. But remember, true DeFi stands on that idea. That's true DeFi. You cannot turn off any token for that matter. You cannot turn off, no, meaning kining 43.7 billion dili na ma-stop sa Pulse chain. Dili na ma-stop ni Richard Hart. Anybody, anyone in the community could not stop this hacker, no, nga mag-sell on the dexes, right? So it is what it is, right? But that's the standard of true DeFi, right? So again guys, please remember, mo na mag-secure may ingon, please. You own your keys, you are the network, you own your keys, you have, wala kay matawagan, no one can freeze your account. That's why sige tagpahinumdom, not me, but everybody in the community had been sige pa remind, no, nga please be very careful with scam links, with mga website nga dili mao, or should I say mga website na mga fake website. So again guys, that is a double-edged sword. Yet again, it is what it is. Right now, speaking of this one, atong masabtan ang price diha sa atong chart. Alright, let me show sa first ang atong chart diha sa Bitcoin. Alright, as you can see here, so chat, if you have any question, please let me know. Again, this is your man, MacB Crypto. If you're just tuning in, to the international, you're just tuning in right now, again, good evening. Maybe good morning over there, good evening here in the Philippines. Alright, this is the Bitcoin chart on the weekly. Alright, Pulse Chain newbies, where are you guys? Look at that chart of wrap BTC or BTC. I think nindot kadyo ang chart on the weekly. I think we could have reversal on this one, moving into the $100,000 mark, and we have a strong, we have been killing apart, right? I think we could have make this one a support level on 72 level, killing apart 77, 72, 75, right? So we are now more or less 79. I think we did hit for today's trading around $79, 79,000 $79,000 more or less on the high on this one, going into the $80,000 mark. So tanawon ni nato, right? So katong tanang mingon, we are going into the bear market. What's this one, guys? Yeah, right. What's this one? Regulation, US, Russia, right? Russia po, right? Ang Russia is they will be using crypto na as a form of payment, and America is using Bitcoin as a reserve, kumbaga nga asset, right? Or should I say part sa ilahang asset, kumbaga kung saan na sila yung oil, na sila all these other mga assets, kumbaga there are assets po, or should I say crypto asset is part of their financial reserve, kumbaga. So oven nindot kadyo ni nga development, right? So again guys, so these are the chart, or should I say money ang chart diha sa WBTC, or should I say BTC. Now kung ang move is green, automatic mag-green pod ang half, but sadly nagpuwata karon because sa nahitabo nga hacking. Alright, so the traders ay kinda jittery, right? So the traders diha sa Pulse Chain ecosystem ay kinda jittery, right? So we have a pump here on April 21, and pagkabalita gaday hack na nahitabo yesterday, then we have now a price down as of the moment. Alright, sadly this is what it is, especially to the trader type. They will try to position themselves, especially kung mo down ang price nani, they will be buying on the low, meaning mo palit sila panani kung i-sell manggal ito sa hacker ang kadtong 43 billion PLS. Alright, it is what it is. That's the sad reality of this one. Now on the other perspective, ikaw po nga gustong mo palit, it is time to buy the dip kana og dapat ay extra nga money. Alright? Alright? I hope kasi na sabtan na guys. Alright? I hope na sabtan kasi na. There's a different perspective on this one. It is what it is. If there's the hack na nahitabo, the traders will be jittery. So meaning, people will be trying to sell their, especially for the day traders daw, they will try to siguro exit their maybe daily position or say, yeah, day trader man, right? Or maybe weekly position for that matter, maybe ilang exit, meaning they will try to sell it on Pulse X, on other dexes like Paitayas, 9mm, right? It is what it is. That's the reality mo gazunay ano kung mag trade ta. That's part of the market ang mga traders, by the way. It is what it is, all right? So again guys, remember, please be very very careful. Magtutok lang ta sa atong C.T.U sa mga exploits, especially diha sa Pulse Chain community. Kawa gadyoy call center, or should I say center, or should I say agent nga imong matawagan, or hotline center nga imong matawagan on this one. And sadly, maupod na, they could sell it down the price, right? But no one can freeze your account. Double-edged sword na. Always namang pa-remind is very, very careful sa atong mga assets. Especially yung inana na mga whale. That is a freaking whale. 43 billion PLS. Close more or less to 400,000. 383,000 US dollars, right? Karon na nga price. But surely during the bull market or 2021 sa PLS, or should I say the bull market, it was surely $1 million pa to nga price in US dollar, right? So always remember that one. Ang angay nato nang masabtan guys, kay kung dili po, nako po, you could be, that is detrimental temporarily on the price diha sa Pulse Chain. And since ang atong all tokens are pegged to the to Pulse, kung mo down ang Pulse, down po ang Hex, down po all these other tokens, right? So that's the reality. It's called the Heart's Law, right? Again guys, remember all these things. Kay kung dili, nako po, it will having this mga panghitabo, and mga builders sila ni Paitayas, right? Ni CryptoSolve is having this mga gipang buhat, right, nga malikaya na inaning situation sa sunod, labi na diha sa Pulse Chain ecosystem, right? So we are doing some measures, or should I say the builders are doing some measures in the future para malikaya ng inaning situation, all right? So again guys, remember, you are the network, right? So again, these are things nga angay natong masabtan in doing this. Nagtutok lang jud ko karon sa atong C.T.U with regards with the exploits, right? And especially diha sa Pulse Chain community. Kaya kung dili, it could dump the price of Pulse, right? So please be very very careful, right? So that's the reality of it, right? It is what it is. That's the reality gadzod. So sadly, I thought we can go up na, nindot unta ang price will be going up na kung tan-aw nimo ang chart, right? So that's the reality of it, right? So again guys, remember, you are the network. Please, magbalik-balik lang jud ko ni. Please be careful sa atong mga wallet. Adyo mo pagpataka og download, na mag-send ninyo, na mag-message, mag-DM, mag-PM ninyo. Tay ang user na ang ilang ipang target karon. Alright? Sige. Sa chat, kung wala mo yung mga pangutana, again guys, let me do this, right? This show is brought to you by So, yeah, I was informed, by the way, no, sa builder, no, empowerment builder on this one. Yeah, with the latest, there's a Hex Frenzy, right? Let me show some screen on this one.
AI trading or hodl, data versus instinct, but
Okay, mali. Dili na mo guys, mali. There you go, mali, my bad, this one. So, yeah, so money update. So, play Frenzy. Gamay na lang kuwang. So, yeah, man, it's quite interesting. Kano sa mag-launch, right? So, I hope the soonest possible time it could launch. Matry na to tanang, right? Kitang tanan makatry na ni. Dili lang ako. I am part of the community, guys, right? That is Play Frenzy pod, light play, promote, and earn. So, it is kana iso makit under sa boss, right? That is the Hex Frenzy, right? So Play Frenzy, Hex Frenzy, it is a lottery where everyone can earn. So yeah, let's hope nga mag-testnet na ang atong developer on this one, and I hope the soonest possible time makaduwa na ta og lottery on this one. Lottery lang, just ka na bang mag-lottery, di ba? So mga Degen play lang na siya nga dili ka jo technical, right? Kanang mga katong gingon nga lending kay the technical na. Now, if you are financially savvy, meaning kadtong nagtrabaho mga banks, nagtrabaho mga co-ops, mga financially savvy, mga investor type who want to protect their wealth and generational wealth, please let me know, DMA, PMA, magstorya ta. If you are high net worth individual, no, maybe you are in the, siguro na may substantial amount nga you wanna preserve your wealth and inyong ipamana sa next generation, we can do that, right? And we have mga financial na mga instruments na pwede na ito gamiton through crypto nga legal, right? Legal lang lata atong buhaton. Alright? So again guys, remember, no? This Alright, so again guys, mo nang ato ang sponsor katong ganina. Alright, si Hex Frenzy. Alright, sige, sige. Okay, chat, we are on our 51-hour mark. So let me go on other sockmeds right na sa atong mga sok. Sa ubang sockmed, ang naghanang lamok diri sa balay. Let me check sa X, og na yung mga pangutana, but I think wala may mugawas. I don't know, mugawas ba sa X? No? So sa X, alright. Alright, sa X. Let me check sa X. Alright. Oh guys, if you're just tuning in, this is your man, MacB Crypto. Welcome sa ato ang ika-12 episode sa ato ang Pinoy Pulse Community sa atong Crypto Thursday update with pa JJJ and pa kaskasin mo. Alright, let me check my, alright, thank you so much who are watching right now on X. Ay 7 kabuk ka nagtanaw, napoy more or less 9 or 10 diri sa ato ang SOCMED, or should I say diri sa atong Facebook Live. All right, guys, so nagtutok lang ko sa ato ang C.T.U this evening or this karong adlaw on the hacking. Again, I cannot overemphasize hacking. Again, careful sa mga website, careful sa mo tawag, mo text, mo message, mo scam links. Use ang ato ang mga QR codes, right? Kani for example, inani vouch, right? Use the QR code, scan the QR code, right? Scan the QR code and i-bookmark na. Like the Pulse wallet, the Pulse Chain network, right? The ang atong internet money wallet, right? Please scan the QR code, guys. Please scan the QR code. These are the wallets nga pwede nang mai-suggest. Right, these are the Pulse wallet at also Pulse wallet, right? So please be very careful, like liquid loans katong giingon ganina nga lending protocol. We have that one, we have that financial engineering na dili na ta magsalig sa bangko. The traditional banking will be phased out sooner or later. Just a matter, ikaw karon nga nagtanaw will be using it. So join us in this peaceful crypto revolution. Alright? So sa INC, manahong giingon ganina sa atong lending protocol, which is the INCD. I hope na Fast Abdul will be coming next week sa ato ang should I say ato jang guest, atong i-try siya kay lain ang jang Canada man, so tingalig ako i-adjust sa isang oras kay kung 7 PM kadlawon pa sa ila. So siguro ako on Wednesday ang mo leave sa office, right? And I will be doing the live stream maybe 10 or 12 noon, 10 a.m. or 12 noon next Wednesday. I hope available siya, but nag-ingon na siya, please let me know, but okay na siya sa among initial talk, which is the founder of INCD. Please scan the QR code, guys, sa lending protocol kini siya, which is a dollar peg token. Scan the QR code. Yeah, you could try to scan the QR code. Kinsay gusto mo scan of QR code diha sa atong mga ka-solid C.T.U, CRT, MacB Crypto solid supporters. Please scan the QR code, guys. Kaya makakita man ko diri ko yung scan ng QR code. Someone scan your QR code. Sige, try ko no nato. Chat, if you're watching right now, please scan the QR code. I-try lang, good. Try lang, sige. At kini atong gamiton, INCD. if you can scan the QR code, or should I say sa incprinter.com. Alright? You can scan the QR code gamit ang inyong mga cellphone guys. That's the easier way to do it. Right? That's the easier way to do it. Alright? We are going into our 55-minute mark, and later on, aray na punta sa atong paroleta karong hapuna. Magpa-hashtag sa siguro ta guys, karong hapuna. Alright? Sige, let's use the hashtag sa atong chat. Chat, watch out sa atong hashtag karong hapuna. Alright? Atong hashtag karon is usa ka itong hashtag karong hapuna. Scan na ba sa QR code? Pero wa pa siguro nakascan sa QR code na to karon. Alright? Anyway, scan the QR code. Dizo na scan. Kini na skillin na. Okay, kini scan. Scan on ninyo. Makakita man ko dire. Please let me know na sa chat. Sige, kini atong hashtag. Alright, Hex Frenzy going live soon. So guys, paki-comment da sa tong comment section ng Hex Frenzy going live soon. Alright? Again guys, this show, ang atong C.T.U is brought to you by Hex Frenzy. Natay 100 for the early bird, si Donna, and natay 400 sa makadaog sa atong paroleta later on the show. Chat, if you have any question, kung na may mga pangutana, please let me know diha sa atong chat. I think wala nag-scan sa atong QR code. Napaba mo diha chat? Yaling nagluto ang atong mga kasolid diha. Oh, please scan sa atong QR code. Right? Sa atong nagtanaw sa atong YouTube channel, thank you so much na nagtanaw sa atong YouTube channel, na nagtanaw sa atong Macby Herms nga 9, na nagtanaw nga duha diha sa atong Macby Crypto, na nagtanaw sa ato ang X na sa X account nga 8. So I think that's a good number to bigay, right? So unsaon pag-scan ana sir? Oh man. Wow ba? Di ba sa atong cellphone na scan dito, mag-scan ka og wifi. Anyway, unsaon ko na pag-scan? Sige, maghimo na lang tag tutorial in this one. Pag-scan, scan na nimong QR code kada sa ubos. Try lang. Na-scan sa ato mga cellphone. Right? Sige. Sige lang, I do understand the friction kumbaga how to do this, right? So ingon niyo na Hex Frenzy going live soon. Hex Frenzy going live soon. Indeed, Hex Frenzy going live soon. Sige, sa ato mga kasolid, please comment this diha sa ato ang comment section. Hex Frenzy going live soon. Yeah, going live soon. Ingon ni Novi nga nagtan-aw, going live soon. Then sa atong C.T.U CRT sa December. Sige, pagpahimo tag leaderboard, unsaon po na mag-meeting lang siguro ta maybe July kung unsaon na to ang mga mechanics on that one, right? Ato lang ng meetingan, then mga adyo pud tag idea labi na sa atong kanang kamao mo code, right? Ingon ni An Hex Frenzy going live soon. Right? Hex Frenzy going live soon. Right? Sa ato mga ka-solid supporter, ato na ning pagabuhaton nga it should be performance based para ta maka-appeal sa sharing diha sa atong i-harvest sa atong backyard sa ato ang LP farm, right? So ato nang inanaon atong buhaton. So performance based, ug di pud ma-appeal, di pud ato sila pugson, but ang katong magkugi, right? Magkugi, mo appeal, mo share, na yung mga bonuses siguro on that one, right? Kung mag-share ka, inani ang bonus on that one. Kung mo share, kung mo appeal ka sa stream, mo live ka, na idakog bonus pagadzod. O mo crypto zen ka report, mo share ka, mo report ka, sir, nakakita kong inani nga balita sa crypto, ako nang i-post sa akong SOCMED, like sa TikTok or sa akong Facebook, nanay points, right? So I hope Brother Cobb can help you on this one on how to do that. Nanay points, kumbaga, nanay leaderboard, no? And kadto nga points ato tong sample na points nga inani, tapos i-times dito sa pilay atong ma-harvest during sa December, pero ang part na napod sa atong mga harvest is ato magabiton para sa atong event, sa atong venue, pa prices, right? And ato na i-combine pod kung wala lang may simba ko katalagman, simba ko sabi ka lang sa December, no? Atong i-combine na ang Hub Crypto, ato i-combine atong LP farmers, ang atong mga kasolid, so more or less 20 to 30, more or less 50 siguro na mga participants mangita tag venue sa Hinunangan. I hope makaabot ta sa inana, no? So natay target, dapat dili lang ta mag-stagnant on this level, guys. So help me, right? Let's help each other, right? Walay mabidyaan kung baga inana ko. That's how I deal with life. I am for equity, I am for fairness, right? So inana ko how to deal bisan sa trabaho, right? I am for equity, I am for dili ko gusto na ay mabidyaan, dili ko gusto na ay maapi, right? Di ko gusto na ay ganang ano. So I think that's the inana lang dun siguro po ko. That's how I sa akong personal ba nga kinaidza kong baga, right? So naay 5 karon nga aming appeal, alright? Si Anan sa pag-scan, Donna, Yona, Vincent, Yona, okay, di pa mi sir. Dili maskan kay nag-watching pa mi sa live. Yeah. Indeed. Oh, thank you so much, Don. Thank you, thank you. My bad. Kay nagtan-aw pa dahil sila. Okay, okay. Sige, 1 hour mark na ta, guys. Sige, paki-share ko. Automatic, paki-share sa ato mga kasolid. Like, share, and comment. Nag-comment naman mo, right? And paki-share. Share na, nag-share na mo, like. So, automatic na algorithm na, right? So, please, paki-comment diha sa atong mga SOCMED. Kung wala mo yung Facebook, naata sa X, napunta sa YouTube channel, right? Sa atong mga nagtanaw sa YouTube, thank you so much who are watching sa atong mga SOCMED karong hapuna. Alright, sige sa atong price list sa karon, ito sa ipakita ang price sa in peso. Alright, sige guys. So ito sa ipakita ang price in peso. So move on na lang, dalio lang na to ni guys. Alright, yeah, diri lang ta. Alright, let me share this. Alright, show. Okay. So sa atong price karong kapuna, alright. So in peso ni guys, so this is the daily price update. Wala sa lang ko nagsigig post sa ahong daily price update diha sa atong SOCMED kay murog halos na napuno ang ahong cellphone ug ahong laptop nang delete pa ko guys. But anyway, since this is an update, so sa Rap Pulse, ang price in peso, lang ning i-refresh guys. Alright? So in peso, ang Rap Pulse na si trading volume of around 4 billion, right? Sorry, not 4 billion. Not my bad. That is the market cap. So sa Rap Pulse karon, so mga traders are watching right now. Trader type, trader bros, please. We have a lot of volume, especially sa mga centralized exchanges po who wants to list Pulse. Sa mga Coins.ph, PDAX, and other centralized exchanges, we have a volume of around 119 million pesos. Right? 119,333,242 on the volume sa 24 hours diya sa tong L1, which is WPLS, in which natay 7% na ni sa atong mga LP farmers. Right? Dinhi gikuha nato ang atong volume guys. Sa kung usa kada ka ang volume natay 13% nga atong makuha sa mga LP farmers. Alright? Ang pulse chain peacock is around sa WPLS 0.046. Pulse chain peacock is down 5.5%. WPLS is also down 5.5% on the 24-hour. Alright, 7.23, 0.73. My bad. Vouch is down 6%, 0.123. 0.00053. Vouch, should I say VPLS, Vouch is down 5.1%. We did have Jexa last week on our show sa Pulse Chain. Last week? Yeah. I think we did have Jexa, right? 0.00065. My bad. Naunsa naman ko. Nalibat na ko dili guys. Ang atong INC is it's down 4.3, 21.64 pesos. Alright? PLSX is down 3.4%. Alright? On the daily or 0.00037. Hex is down 3.7%. Yeah. Sorry, my bad. 0.0885, right? Or 0.085. Nalibat na ko diri guys. Alright? So nani mga volume no, ang pinakadakong volume so far is ang atong Rock Pulse. Next is 4 million with pulse chain pickup. Sorry, okay, delete me by volume. Oh, sorry, yeah. I think it's by volume, right? So yeah, tama, volume. And next nato is ang VPLS 16,000. Ang atong vouch is ang volume is 12,000. How na lang ning ground off guys? Yeah, it's not by volume really, correct. So ang atong INC is 7 million. Ang atong PLSX is 14 million pesos. Ang atong hex nga volume volume not price, 27 million pesos. Alright, sige. Ari na ta sa ato ang paruleta karong hapuna. Alright, so let me do this. Alright, please bear with me on this one guys. So sa atong paruleta karong hapuna na si Yona. Alright, na si Donna. Na si Vincent. Alright. Naa si kisa pay naa dito sa atong chat perting daghanang lamok mang ingon ni Donna sa tanang basahan chat, sir kanindot ba kay nag-down kaso wala na ipang butang hindi don. Yeah, but because ni Don sa mga trader as I was saying katong ganina while ago sa atong balita sa atong so the Crypto Thursday update is naay hack nga nahitabo sa user personal level no. And sadly, but that the reality sa true DeFi, we cannot stop it, we cannot freeze it, right? So mo nay naka ano diha, right? So kisay na din ni karon, so si Yona hanang ibutang, si Donna na si Vincent hanang nabutang, then si Novi hanang ibutang po dire. All right? Novi, the next is si Janine, tama? Janine, all right, Janine. Ayaw lagi ingon. Isaba sada po dayaw bata diri sa makadugog bug ano guys. Si Janine. All right, 5 lang karon ang ming appeal guys. So let me share our screen. Let me share my screen guys. As you can see here, mo ni atong 5 nga participants. Then ato lang po sa basahon ang nasa ato ang chat karon, all right? So Ate Janine, paki-share aning live ni Sir. Indeed, thank you so much. Nakatulo na kong share Ate Don. Okay, nakatulo na sila. Present. Sige, present na sila. So, present gyapon. Sige, 1 hour mark naman ta. Present. Sige. Indeed, present. Present pa muna, guys. Say present. No, tama ni. Say present. Alright. They are posting present on this one. Alright. By the way, guys, kung mutanaw mo diri sa akong setup na ako'y cellphone dire for my viewing da ako dire para ako maka-message sa akong cellphone na akong gamit, right? Na ko electric fan dito sa dapo ko electric fan dire sa ore ako set up dire guys. Naa ni an answer. Okay, naa ni an. What do you mean of naa si an okay si an. Yeah, si an wala na feel an. Sige si an. Okay. Sige, si Yona, Donna, Vincent, Novi, Janine, ug An-An. Okay? Sige, magruleta na ta. Mao na ba tanan? Di pa ko, sir. Indeed, present, sir. Indeed, present. Sige, guys. I hope it is my hope, no, nga naatay na learn. I hope I added value to your viewership or your viewing pleasure. Right? So, again, ang atong pinaka-main center stage na topic karon is ang hacking. Right? So, the countdown, na hack, then ilang gi-freeze sa Arbitrum, then after freezing that one, it is not true DeFi since nasa like admin key, right? So what else usa pa kay lang pwede mabuhat on that one, especially og na law enforcement mingon nga this is a political like Trump napos na si day token da sa east or should I say sa mga DAO, Calp DAO, tapos sa mga Elton, tapos ingon niya i-freeze na kay against ko na needs politically, right? So yeah man, that is censorship resistant, you cannot do that. It is why crypto was invented for in the first place, right? Present pa ko, sir. Present. Sige, di apa ko. Sige, kisa pa ang wa ming ingon present. Si Janine. Sige, si Janine. Is Janine still there? Jan, napaka dyan kay ato na ning ning atong ruleta. Then, we will go back sa ato ang chat. Alright? Sige, pakita lang. Murag mabungkag siguro ay papakita, no? Huwag magano ta. Sige guys, if you have napa-present, alright? Present, si Janine, napas Janine, Vincent, napakadadoy, say present. Okay, nagbutang, masilag present dari. Present, si Novi, nagiging present, si Anan present. Di pa ko sir, present si Donna, present sir. Okay, good. Present si Vincent, napas si Vincent, present ba? Naka-hashtag na pod. Pakiingon ko. Yeah, indeed. Dahil ka na po yung makadaog ron dyan. Alright, I hope nakatabang ni sa inyong crypto journey. Right, again, please very very careful sa i-download nga wallet, mga fake website, na mo DM, bisan pa karon nanay mo tawag pagali guys. Apil lang ang tawag, butawag sila. Right, so again, please very 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 careful. Big shout out ni sa ni Brother Cobb sa atong GC. Big shout out to you brother, especially kung ato tong mabihimo tong atong leaderboard. Indeed present ingon ni Yona. Alright, big shout out po ni Maverick Solar Home. Kung magpa-install mo og mga solar nga power, right? Please look for Maverick Solar Home. Alright. Sige, sa ato na mga kasolid po, ato po sila gisuportahan. No? These are people nga lumalaban ng pata sa buhay matud pa. Alright? Sige. Ingon ni Vincent present. Alright, sige guys, magruleta na ta karon. Alright? Ang kahumanan ni spin na to, si Zanay automatic mo daw. Alright? Tama na ba? Sige, paki-comment ko okay na tanan, wa ko'y nakalimtan kay pa-finalize na ni nato karon. Okay na ba? Na 5 karon? Please paki-thumbs up o okay na or maybe go. And again guys, sa atong mga nagtanaw sa atong YouTube channel, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If kinaning mga content is adding value, nakatabang ta, please show some love by liking and sharing, and especially pag-subscribe sa channel para ta ma-updated sa ato ang paghahimuon na mga activity sa C.T.U. CRT with your man, MacB Crypto. Alright? Alright, okay na sir. Okay, si ingon ni Nove. Okay, kisay mo second demotion this one nga okay na. Para makaspin ta. Italig na ko yung nakalimtan. Second demotion. Sa ato mga kasolid, second demotion, alright? Sa ato nagtanaw diha sa ato ang YouTube channel, good morning, good evening, or whatever. Also, whatever time you are right now, good day, right? So, go na. Let's go! Alright, let's go. Spin! Kisa kayo mo daog. Yona! Alright, congratulations, Yona. Go. Yona, congratulations. Ella for winning. Ang ato ang pa JJJ. Cash. JJJ. Cash. Alright. Sige. Congratulations, Yona, for winning 400 pesos. Alright? Sige, guys. Ang atong show karon again is brought to you by Alright, guys. I think that this will end our show karong hapuna. And karong gabi na, gabi naman di ay, alright? Diya sa chat, if you have napamoy pa shoutout before we will end this show, congratulations sa ta. Sige, congratulations. Ingon ni Donna, congrats. Ante Yona Diaz. Ni Janine Dangkal, congrats to Yona Diaz. Alright? Again guys, thank you so much sa ato mga kasolid nga nagtanaw karon. And again, it is my hope na you learn something sa ato mga viewers who is watching, labi na og ning abot ninyo sa inyong mga newsfeed or sa inyong mga walls. So I hope this could help start your crypto journey. Na dili ta may scam, right? Nga dili ta our hard-earned monies, no? Ang atong manggihaguan na mga kwarta is dili lang mawala or mahanaw or mawala sa hangin, right? So I hope makahatag ni og guide, giya nato sa pag-start sa atong crypto journey. Alright? Sige guys, I think we will end the show na sa atong Crypto Thursday update with regards sa mga hacking. Alright? Again guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, we are live sa atong mga SOCMED, sa X, sa Twitter, sa X, sa Twitter before, sa SOCMED, not SOCMED, we are live sa atong mga SOCMED, sa X, sorry, sa X, sa YouTube, sa atong Facebook page, alright? And after this one, next week na po, no? And after this one, I mean, weekend na po, right? So, summer na, again, drink plenty of water, lamin na sa itong mga nanay, mga lolog-lolang, nasa itong mga panimalay, no? Nga atong ibantayan. Please drink plenty of water, right? Heat stroke is real, alright? So, again, guys, this is your man, Macby Crypto. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time, see you on the